Hi CIS, my name is Rachel Zweig and I am class of 2010. After graduating from CIS, I went to university in the US at Vassar College, a liberal arts college in Poughkeepsie, New York. While I was there, I majored in psychology, but also continued studying theater, an interest of mine that developed while I was a student at CIS. My interests in working with people, with interest in the human experience and education and learning sort of all came together by the time I was about to graduate, and I realized that I was pretty sure I wanted to go into a career in education, and I found the CIS teaching fellow position, and here I am now. So I'm excited to see what this year has in store for me. I'm definitely going to be learning a lot as well as teaching a lot, and we'll see where it goes.